Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming admin control. Make sure you are an admin on the page and log into your personal profile. Next, add a trusted person or a business manager as a second page admin so the page won't lose ownership when you delete your profile. While logged in, go to Settings, right arrow your Facebook information, and use Download Your Information to back up posts, photos, and messages. This preserves content you might need later. Once done, you're ready for the next phase. Now detach the business from your personal profile by transferring page roles into Business Manager or to the co-admin you added. You do this because deleting your profile will remove any roles tied only to you. Make sure to review connected assets, Instagram accounts, ad accounts, pixels, and product catalogs, and reassign them inside Business Manager so ads and integrations keep running uninterrupted. Also, swap personal payment methods for business billing inside. Finally, request permanent deletion of your personal profile via Settings, right arrow your Facebook information, right arrow deactivation and deletion. Choose Delete Account and follow prompts. After initiating deletion, immediately confirm the page shows Business Manager or the alternate admin as owner and perform a test post or ad to ensure functionality. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: re-add another admin or restore Business Manager permissions before deletion. If deletion already started, contact the other admin to confirm access and recreate assets if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.